Hi guys, welcome to Excel Advisor once again. Today we are going to learn about reverse VLOOKUP. Yes, आपने सही सुना reverse VLOOKUp. I believe आप सभी ने अभी तक VLOOKUप यूज किया होगा, but reverse VLOOKUप most probably अभी तक आप में से किसी ने यूज नहीं किया होगा. रिवर्स वी लुकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा जो वी लुकअप है उसका जो डिसएडवांटेज होता है. आप जो रिजल्ट्स है वो लेफ़्ट टू राइट जा सकते हैं, राइट टू लेफ़्ट नहीं जा सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे एक टेबल आप देख पा रहे होंगे जैसा कि पार्ट 1 वीडियो में आपने देखा होगा. सो मैं सिंपली यहाँ पे हेमंत की एज जो है पता कर रहा हूँ. इन द सेम वे जेंडर हेयर. बट अब अगर मुझे हेमंत का फ़ोन नंबर पता करना है सो VLOOKUP से ये रिजल्ट नहीं आ पाएगा. And that's where we use reverse VLOOKUP. So once again guys, welcome to Excel Advisor. Here you can see the syntax which I'm going to use. Here I'm just using VLOOKUP function with an additional function called choose. So here the syntax looks like VLOOKUP bracket open then A. Here I describe A as an entity that we need to search followed by choose function bracket open then curly bracket 1 2 curly bracket closed b1 to b5. Here I have mentioned that b1 to b5 is the column where the entity that we need to search actually lies, comma then c1 to c5 column where the entity which we need to find out that lies, bracket close, which means we are closing the choose function, then comma 2 comma 0. Okay, let me give you an example here which will make it more clear. So here I need to find out the phone number of Hemant. What I will do, we look up Hemant, as I mentioned choose, then curly bracket 1 comma 2. Now I have mentioned b1 to b5. Here you can see column where the entity lies which we need to search. So here I need to search Hemant, which lies here in this column. I selected this column followed by comma then c1 to c5. I have mentioned that column where the entity lies which we need to find out. So what we need to find is the phone number and it lies in the very first column. So here I have selected the first column, then I have closed the choose function followed by comma numeric 2 comma followed by 0 as we need the exact results. Here we go. Here you can re-verify ends with 613. So this is how guys you can use VLOOKUP in a reverse way. You can share this with your friends. I believe most of them are unaware about this VLOOKUP and choose function. So if you like this video, just go ahead and click like, subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.